Good day everyone. I'm here today to present my site development plan of my Kinaraya Community Mall. First, I have three main buildings. The first building is the largest one. I have Sky Garden for the amenities on the rooftop of this, and it is connected. It has a stair connected from the main building to the second building. And the second building also has Sky Garden. And for the third building, on the top of it, it has a helipad and some mechanical and utilities items. And this is my three main buildings of my community mall. Next is the food park. It has a food stall and a food court for the people. Next is the terminals. I have four terminals. Um, the number 6 on this is the terminal for the jeepneys, and the three other terminals only for loading and unloading area. And I have parking lots and esplanade, and I also put bike lanes for the bikers and pedestrian lane. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and listening. Goodbye.